So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are facing issue on this particular lab that when you click on start lab, the lab is working properly, but when you come to the copy of the sheets, for example, I'm just opening this sheet in incognito window. So here most of you are getting this kind of error that you can't access this item because it's violation of our terms and service. So actually there is some ongoing issue on this lab. So how you can get it resolved? The only option is that you have to report to the support team. And how to report is very simple. You have to mail to support@qwiklabs.com, support@qwiklabs.com, and share your error, means just share the screenshot over here. Okay, and they'll just fix the lab or mark it as optional. One more important thing I wanted to share, that if you don't know how to write an email for the error, I've already made a video regarding it. I will link the video in the description. You can just check it out and just get it done. So that's all about the video. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel. So this was the video, I think so. Yes, how to report the lab issues. So like this, just report it. And if you're interested in other challenges, you can just check the channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.